everyone, welcome back to Bliss Degree. Today was a busy and productive day as a small business owner, so I thought I'd bring you along for a quick behind-the-scenes look. First thing this morning, I got straight to work crocheting plushies to restock both my online shop and my Etsy store. I've been trying to keep up with orders, so getting these little cuties finished was my top priority. After that, I switched gears and filmed some video content. Gotta keep the shop updates rolling. Then I spent the rest of the afternoon packing all the chickens that need to be shipped out first thing tomorrow morning. There were a lot of them, but seeing those boxes all ready to go is the best feeling. And that's it for today's short video. Thanks for hanging out with me on this productive small business day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the shop if you want to see what I've been working on. See you in the next video.